case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1995 case that proposed a significant legal question regarding the conduct of lawyers outside their offices, Lawrence Magid, a First Assistant Prosecutor of Gloucester County, found himself at the center of a courtroom saga. Lawrence had been found guilty of physically assaulting his girlfriend, a fellow employee at the prosecutor's office. This act of domestic violence, considered a grave crime by the public and legal fraternity, cost Lawrence dearly. He was discharged from his esteemed position, sentenced to 1 year of probation, and compelled to pay a $250 fine and a $50 violent crime penalty. The Disciplinary Review Board took this case as another opportunity to assess how attorneys' private conduct could affect their professional duties. It determined that Lawrence's assault was not only an ethical lapse, but also a breach of the public trust placed in him as a public servant. Despite batting for Lawrence's lack of prior violent behavior and the incident's isolated nature, the board recommended a public reprimand. They reasoned that attorneys occupying public office should be held to the highest standards of integrity. The final verdict drew a clear line on the severity of Magid's conviction. The court advanced the principle laid by the Disciplinary Review Board and declared it applicable to all lawyers. Accordingly, Lawrence was served a public reprimand in the light of his past misconduct. However, the court issued a stern warning, asserting that future incidences involving lawyers convicted of domestic violence could potentially lead to the suspension of their licenses. In this complex interplay of private misconduct and public duty, the Supreme Court of New Jersey offered a potent reminder about the high ethical expectations attached to legal professionals, enveloping a broader judicial message in one disciplinary tale.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.